Okay, so we are going to be planting strawberries. This is just like a simple dirt. Okay, I didn't put anything in the dirt, so I already labeled it. This one, last year we tried the tomatoes from Aldi's. It did well, and then this year we are going to be trying strawberries from Aldi's. So all you're gonna do, just put dirt in it. Mommy, you wanna put dirt? This is a little cute thing. Put the dirt in there. And then Lizzie, you're gonna cut the strawberry very thin, okay? So we can put it on top of it.
Why don't you give Lizzie the cutting job?
No, you got plenty of strawberries to plant too. Come
I said cutting.
Oh, okay. I think this is enough.
Okay.
No, this is enough. Let's put it over this side. And then we're also going to fill this cup up real quick because we're going to plant all these strawberries in these 2 cups. One, we have the plastic cup. Underneath it, I have 4 holes underneath it. And we're just going to put dirt in it. And I have a tray that we're going to sit everything in. All right, so these 2 are the Aldi strawberries. Now, I have different strawberries in the stuff. I separated them in the cup already and I labeled them. So we're going to take each packet out, fill it out with dirt, put the pack on top of it, and then we're going to start planting in a minute. So let's do this real quick. Yeah, and then put dirt in. I hope we have enough dirt. You know the easier we can do it?
Like this?
Yes, sir. Oh, be careful. All right. You guys like to eat strawberries, so you have to know how to start them from seeds. How to grow them.
Well, oh, not done yet.
No, you don't have to press it down.
A little bit
Press it
more.
down. You want a little more? Okay. I think
Yeah,
that's good enough. All right. And then we're going to sit this on top of it. We're going to sit on top of it. And then, Lizzie, you want to fill this out? You, just the one here. Fill it up. I think that's good enough. Because we have to make sure we have enough for the other one. Put one more there. All right. So we're going to sit this on top of it. I'm going to put that side. I'm going to remove this. Put it underneath here. Do you guys want us to start with the Aldi strawberries first? Okay, let me grab 2. So this is this Aldi the strawberries we got from Aldi's. This is the brand, just in case it grow. Ooh, this is big. Smells really, really good. That's why I want to try it. So we're gonna get 2, right, Lizzie? 2 big ones, and we're gonna try it. And we'll put the rest away. Here you go, mommy. All right, Lizzie. Let me show you how we're gonna cut it. Okay? Come here, mommy. Come here. Ooh. All right. So we made it. No, put that one back over there.
What?
Put it back over there. Don't put it here. So what we're gonna do? Yeah, just sit it there. We just want to cut a very thin layer. Lizzie, are you looking? Because we want the seeds. We don't want to cut a big strawberry like that. We want the seeds, so we're gonna take it and we're gonna just sit it on top of here like that. Who wants to try?
I want to try.
Come on.
I want to try.
Come this way. You gotta cut a very thin layer. Come this way. A very thin layer. Oh Lord. Don't cut yourself.
Be careful, please.
I know, don't cut yourself. Like, why you gotta go that way? You gotta go on the opposite
You're
way.
not supposed to do it.
I don't like that. Well, I guess he had a technique.
I guess so. As long as you're slow and careful.
Yeah, Mother Lizzie have spoken. Okay.
It's so good.
I know you did a good job. Okay, now we're gonna cut a couple of them because we need to get those seeds, all the seeds over there. Okay, so let's.
Why am I bending so much?
Just got a thing there. You see? Oops.
Oops.
You got it. Those strawberries smell so good.
They do.
Oh my gosh, they smell good. I pray our strawberries will grow like that. That's all we're doing. You finished, Lizzie?
I think so.
Okay. Get a little bit of dirt like this. Okay. Look. And then we're going to put a little bit of dirt on top of it. Oops.
Oh, we definitely can't eat them now.
No, you can't. We don't want to bury it too much. That's enough. Just enough so it can start sprouting. Who can guess how many days it's going to take for this to sprout?
83.
No. That's
5.
too long. No.
2. A week?
Yeah, around a week, 14 days, 26 days. We'll be checking it. We'll be checking it. Okay, so this one is covering up. So who's going to cover that?
Me.
Go ahead.
Yeah, you can go ahead and put it on.
You see how I did the other one? So you don't want to pack it too much. Spread it out, okay?
Okay.
All right. You know what? You can put it there, and then you can use this thing to spread it out. There you go. Get some more. Don't press it. You think that's good enough?
Yeah.
I just need a little teeny bit. Whoa, like right there. Okay.
I think that's enough.
I think that's enough too. Okay. So this one here, like this. We're not gonna bury it in the dirt because the seeds are. Look at the seeds. They're like so small. Like tiny.
They are quite sized.
Yeah, they're really, really small. So we're not gonna press it down too much. But just kind of press it down enough so when you put the water and stuff, it don't sink. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
The seeds don't sink under. So we're just gonna open.
If they do something, we'll be able to sprout.
No, because it's too tiny. Like one is gonna sprout from all the way on the bottom.
That's true.
Go to the top. That would be like impossible.
Yeah, that would be a lot of work for them.
Yeah. So we're just gonna let it out and spread it all over. Come on now, get out your little tiny stuff. Tarik season dulu.
Yep.
Tarik man. Okay. So we're taking it all out now. And then, oh boy. Alright, everything is on now. Okay. So this one, they already gave name on it. Easy. We already labeled and put it down. It won't bite you, the dirt won't bite you.
Mara said it was going to.
You gotta press it down a little more.
It's so soft.
Yeah, I know it's like marshmallow. Somebody wanna eat marshmallow? We don't even have no marshmallow in this house.
We don't.
Man, it's the best time for some marshmallow.
It is.
Lazy.
It's always the best time for some marshmallows.
I know. Alright, come on. Open and sprinkle. Let me put this one in here. Kwame, we're gonna save two for you, okay? Alright, so we want. Ooh, I think this is a lot of seeds, so I don't think we want to put all of it in there. We're gonna use half, okay? So just make sure you're. Just try to, eyeball it and sprinkle it all around like that.
Okay.
Don't waste it all over now. That would be part of your strawberries gone. Sprinkle some more because you see it's sign and stuff. So we need some. Come on, Brian. Oh, that's good enough.
Yeah, it is. Oops.
Okay, that's okay. Close it up. And we're gonna put on this. Kwame, you ready?
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna put here.
Yeah.
Press the dirt down some, okay? Because you don't want it to be too soft that when you put water that the seeds are going to sink on the bottom. And all right, now let's go right there. Let's fix it right there, okay? So you don't go in the corner and be like, where did our strawberries go? Open it like you did the other one. Lizzie, you want to be doing this one? Come here. I'm going to be doing this one. Press it down with your hand.
What? Is this a new one or is this a new one?
That's a new one. You never do it on this side because it still got sticky stuff on this side. If you try to put the seeds out on this side, the seeds will get stuck here. So you always turn it around on the shoulder side.
If you try to use too much force to get them out, they might fly all over the place.
Yeah. So take your time. Remember the seeds are tiny now, okay?
Okay.
And don't just put it one place. Spread it out.
Okay, I think I'm done.
Okay. You open yours. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Just try to spread it out. Lizzie, here you go. Did you hear what I told Kwame? Open it.
Yeah. Oh, ready? Bro.
I know. Right?
Oh, yeah, because I spilled all.
Yeah, you spit all of that on one plate. That's okay. That's okay. All right. We got one more to go. We're doing different types of strawberries here. You done?
Yeah, they do good.
Okay. Yep, you did good. So now we're gonna put it on this side. On this side, we got all our stuff right there. Open up pieces of water. Come on. So we're gonna pour it on the bottom of the tray. We got a tray here like this. See, this stuff is sitting in it. Okay, go ahead. Pour on the bottom. So you're just gonna spray. No, because I'm about to cry. So we're just gonna spray some, not too much. Go on, spray. Don't overspray it, because remember we're dealing with tiny seeds, right? So make sure it's closed before you dump on there. Okay, go ahead. That's how you want to spray it so it don't get, you know what I mean? So it's not too close. The last part.
Fertilizer.
No, we're gonna use.
Oh, we already.
We're not putting fertilizer yet. We're gonna
The
use
bag.
the Ziploc bag to cover it because what's gonna happen?
Naps.
The heat. No, not naps. The heat is gonna help it germinate faster. Okay. Go back in the water and then get the last one to do this. You got it, Connie?
Yeah.
Good job.
And now.
And then we'll do that one. We are just going to take it upstairs. So this is, we have our heat mat and then we have the tray. As you can see, there's still a little bit of water there. So when it's time for us to water, it will water from on the bottom because the seeds are so tiny. And then what I did, I cut a little tip of the bag right there just to get a little bit of circulation because I don't want any white stuff, moldy stuff to start getting on top of it because the seeds are so tiny and I need it to germinate. So that is the setup. There goes the window and that's it, guys. So I'll see you guys later. I will update you. Have a good day. Bye.